Hi, my name is Sarah McWilliams, and I'm going to be showing you how to create better presentations to go along with what you are presenting in your classroom. Now, we've all had that teacher that just does the boring white PowerPoint where you really think it will never end. But the thing is, PowerPoints do have a purpose in the correct time and place, along with other technologies. So, you can think again on having everything being in PowerPoint, just like most students were taught over the past years. So, technology is available so that we can use other technology like Padlet and Prezi, which I'm going to be showing you today. We're going to take the same PowerPoint, it's going to be the example PowerPoint, we're going to put it into each of those programs. Okay, so this is going to be our basic PowerPoint. We're going to have our types of rocks. Yes, very simple, very easy design. Now, you basically are doing like a list of rocks, doing the 3 different kinds and presenting on each 3. Now, this kind of PowerPoint is great for when you are doing certain topics. If it's a very notes-based class and you're not doing a lot of hands-on, this would be the perfect type of PowerPoint to be doing. This is also like stuff like this, you do a basic title and you do basic words and then you just add pictures. This is for like students that are just learning how to do presentations. Yeah, it's for younger grades when they're just learning the basics, because everything here is just straightforward and simple and easy to use. A downside of it is when adding videos, you click on the video and it takes you out of the slideshow. So you're having to see everything going on. You can see any other tabs you have open. If you have like your grade books or other websites open, it will open up into your main browser, which your students would be able to see everything. And if you have an email open about a student when you X out, it would get embarrassing. Now, when you minimize that, it goes straight back into PowerPoint, which is nice. Now, you're going to have all sides are going to look the same. Everything's going to be very straightforward. Everything's very minimal, easy PowerPoint, simple design, and it can be used for anything like that. But you have those moments where you want to add stuff into your like presentations that gives it a little more pizzazz. Keeping your audience's attention is very important, and I'm going to show you guys through Padlet and Prezi just some creative ways to do everything. Okay, first we're going to start off with a Padlet, and basically a Padlet is a mapping web. Now, it's a concept map. It's very straightforward. You have your main topic and you have your subtopics. This would not probably be the best form for this presentation, like form of presenting technology. This would be better for other types, but I'm going to show you what this does. Okay, so you have your main topic and your 3 subtopics, and off of each subtopic there's more subtopics. And then you have your videos. I'm going to show you guys that there are ways to organize everything. You can add context with picture slides, YouTube videos, Google Maps, and then you can export this as a PDF file or a picture so that your students can print it out at home or use it at home. So then you have the presentation zone. This is one of my favorite things because you just click on the ones you want to go to, which one goes first, second, third, fourth, fifth, 17th, 8th. We're going to record some more 18th and then 19th, just showing you how those go. Then we're going to present. You press the right and the key. Okay, I'm going to exit out of this, download stuff. It's always important to make sure that you have nothing on your screen that you wouldn't want everyone else to see. Okay, so oh wow, my bad. Okay, so you have your types of rocks. You have your metamorphic rocks, how the metamorphic supername. So you have the basic definition, and then you can go and like explain each picture and go through and be like, this is a piece of rock. These are all the different metamorphic rocks. And then what's really cool is the video plays straight on your screen. No having to exit out
Hi,
tabs.
I'm G.
Nothing where you have to configure anything and then you click out of it and then you move on to your next set of rocks. You have the definition. It's the basic idea. The lava flow is part of bending, and you have this. Now, with everything, technology does have its issues. Which this is another thing where you have to make sure you check your videos. I didn't check my
Geology, igneous rocks.
I didn't check my videos at first, and that's what happened. So then you click out, and then you just go on. You have your last 3 lovely pictures of rocks, and then your last video, which mine does not work. Okay, but this is basically just your basic Poplet. What I'm going to do is show you, this is the home. They have like examples. So, like, it's like NYU notes, like places you want to go. So, shops, like places to go where they have cupcakes, and Brooklyn Pizza, and like buildings you want to go see, places you want to go. So, it's a mapping tool, like facts about the Earth. You can use it as just like, oh, here's a picture of the Earth, and now there's facts. Really easy to use, really simple, and great for students that are learning about like how concept maps are going or compare and contrast charts. You can use it as just like project phases, concept development, and like design. So you can have multiple topics. They don't have to be linking, which is something really cool, depending on your type of use. So then, as that's being said, I'm going to end with that, just saying that this is another type of presentation that you can use in your classroom. Now, last we're going to use my wonderful friend Prezi. And personally, I thought that Prezi was a lot like the PowerPoint, which it is. But I feel like it's more interactive for the younger grades. Keeping them, like, it's very interactive and, in my opinion, a lot of fun. So what I did was types of rocks, date, just a basic how you would start off with a class. And I was like, oh, mountains, those are rocks. Perfect. So, you start off with your types of rocks. Just have basic stuff, got some rocks in the background, mountains. Then you just switch. And it's a lot like a PowerPoint. But I feel like just having like the animation, like just going through, I feel like it just gives a lot more like activity, which is really cool. This is the only video that works. If you have
Hi, I'm geologist John Swanson for
John
about...
Swanson just pops up in your screen, so you don't have to go and log out of, like, you don't have to exit out of your Prezi, have a new page come up, and everything just stays very clean and simple. And then if you're done, you can go back home, and then just have that done for the day. Now, basically, what I've gone over is just how to use different PowerPoints effectively. And yes, looking over everything, there is no wrong way to teach information. It's just using technology to the best of your abilities with what you have. If you don't have the access to a Prezi account, or you don't have access to Padlet, you can always use a PowerPoint. Like there's tools out there that can help you achieve and your goals in like presenting and stuff. But everyday technology like the PowerPoint will be sufficient. I wanted to just give you guys a little glance at different ways to present information that you would see every day. And it was presented 3 different ways, just to give an example of how different technology can be. Yes. Thank you. And I hope you enjoyed the presentation.